Welcome guys to my next tutorial on PHP development. This is Ankur and you are watching PHP Basics at CodeHub. In last video I talked about how we set up an environment for PHP development. In this video we will learn to make our first PHP program and how to execute that. So guys, first of all open the folder where we created our first project. So I know this is in WAMP, www and PHP code hub. Now here create your first PHP file. So create a new any file document and save it as your first program. So I will give it a name as hello world dot php. So it will ask for warning, and I think many of the systems they do not show the extension. So first enable the extension and then rename it as PHP, or just open a notepad, save that program as PHP and then open it. So now you can use any editors like Notepad, Notepad++. In my case I am using a bracket web editor, so because bracket editor is specifically created for the web development. So here we comes. So here we will start our first program in PHP. Come on. So here it is. So see, I will zoom it up. Okay, so what is our first program? So I will type opening braces question mark PHP echo in double quotes hello world, okay, semicolon question mark and closing braces. I will explain this program to you guys later. First of all we will execute this program. Now just check your WAMP server is running or not. So start the server, give the permission, server is running now. Now open your browser. Now as I told yesterday, first of all open localhost and then type your project name. So PHP code hub. Here you can see the file that we just created. So click on this. Now you can see here hello world. I think it is visible. So we can see here hello world. So guys, this is our first program. That means we have successfully executed our first program. Now let's get back to our coding part. So what is this everything? So now what is this opening braces and PHP and this closing braces PHP? Here these two symbols represent the start of the script and the end of the script. Means at this place PHP script starts and at this place PHP script ends. Now inside this script we see echo. Here echo is the command used in PHP to print the data. There are other commands also to print the data. This is one of them and I will talk about these methods in next videos. So whatever we put in front of this echo statement will be printed in our HTML file. So we have printed here hello world. In this place if I type hello world at code hub, save this one, refresh this page. Okay, that means it is just replacing that echo part as a HTML. So now another important part is how this is executed. As PHP is a server-side scripting language, hence whole of the PHP script is executed before the actual web page is loaded. All echo statements simply print those data on HTML file. So if you want to see that, simply click on view source in the browser. So this is my Chrome, it is not Chrome browser, so I will click on view page source. So this is just simply showing me hello world at the red code hub. The most important advantage of PHP is the PHP cannot be seen in the source program of any web page because it simply replaces the code that we have written. So nobody will come to know that what you are writing in PHP code. So here if we change anything it will be again reflected in here and the source code will remain the same. So this is how PHP script works. So guys, this is how we write our first program in PHP. Now we are ready to move towards our further development. In next tutorial I will tell ways to print the data in HTML file. So thank you guys for watching my videos. If you like this video, then thumbs it up, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you. See you in next tutorial.